What's going on, stackers? So Creative Fabrica is currently having their Christmas in July, and you can get a membership for only $9 a month. If you're serious about low content book publishing and have been looking at getting a membership here on Creative Fabrica, well, the time is now. They're currently having their Christmas in July craft festival, and they're selling their all access subscription membership for only $9 per month. Now, the normal price is normally $29 per month. This is discounted and valid forever, which means that next month and the month after and the month after that, until you cancel your subscription, you will only be paying $9 per month. You get access to all designs, fonts and more, and you get commercial use included. Now, at the time of creating this video, there's 698 spots left, so I'm guessing as soon as these 698 spots have gone, you will not be able to get access for just $9 a month. Now, with me personally, I love Creative Fabrica because I can get absolutely everything that I need for my low content book publishing business here on their website. If we take a look here, I can get fonts, and with the fonts, they have 97,000 fonts, as we can see just here. With the graphics, they actually have over 5 million graphics, and with interiors, so if we go to graphics, come down to KDP Interiors, they now have 97,000 plus interiors. So with this $9 per month membership, you get access to all of this at no extra cost, which is absolutely crazy. Now, to put this in to perspective, their normal all access costs $29 per month. So with this offer, you're getting everything on this plan, which includes everything from the craft subscription, 97,000 fonts, 5 million graphics, 119,000 cut files, 35,000 embroidery designs, and commercial license. Again, it's normally $29, but with their Christmas in July, you're only going to be paying $9. So again, if you have been looking into getting a Creative Fabrica subscription, the perfect time is now. Now, if you want to check this out, there will be a link down in the description below. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to purchase, I will make a small commission. If you don't want to use my affiliate link, that's fine. Just come over to creativefabrica.com. Then, once you're on the home page, you should see this, Join to Win. If you click on here, it's going to bring you straight over to the Christmas in July. And then you can order it just here if there's spots available. So you really need to act fast because these 698 spots might go relatively quick, because I know there's a lot of people out there who would love to be paying just $9 a month for all access to Creative Fabrica. Now, one thing I do want to note really quick, and that is about licensing. Now, no matter where you get your graphics or anything online, it's always great to have an understanding on how their licensing works. Now, what I'm going to do is link this down in the description as well. I highly recommend coming through and watching it, because it's going to explain what you can and cannot do with the graphics, the fonts, and everything on this website. If you also just want to find this, if you come down to the bottom of the page, you can go to here to their subscription license, and it's going to tell you everything that you need. Now, I also made a video about this last week, which is just here, how to properly use Creative Fabrica for low content book publishing. What I highly recommend doing, and what I'll do is link this in the description as well, is come through, watch this video, so again you have a better understanding on how you can and cannot use their graphics. But again, don't miss out on this, because $9 is an absolute steal just for the vast amount of graphics that you get access to. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.